Hey, how's it going, everyone? If you're new to the channel, you are now watching New Touch Auto. In this video, we're gonna cover another modification to the H2 Hummer. Now, this install pretty much consists of headlights that we're gonna install from Safari. This is an RGB setup. If you don't know what RGB means, I'll tell you what, be prepared for this headlight effect with all colors. Stay tuned. Welcome back. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna jump into the products that I'll be using today. Then we'll jump into the install and we're gonna show you exactly how to do it. Let's go. Here we have our RGB headlights by Safari. These headlights come in a set of 2, which include all the wiring connections needed for this install. You have the instruction manual that'll guide you through the process, and it'll also link you to the Bluetooth access remote. These wire connections consist of this control box, which has the red connection for the power source, the black connection for the ground, the blue and white for the signal lights. The blue and white signal lights has an extension that'll extend from left to right. This connection here is an adapter that'll make it an easy plug and play process. But for me, I can't use this because I have an H2 Hummer. So I had to order an additional adapter that's compatible for my vehicle. And this is the connection. This connection connects directly to this headlight, and it'll connect to my wire sources for my vehicle. So now that we have our headlights mounted, we got everything connected. We got our connection for our power source here. This states the white line, and this is my adapter. It's connected also, and it's the housing into the light. Now with the white line, that specifically is for the connection for the signal. So I will have to use this white cord, and this will go to my signal here. Now to connect that, I gotta find where the signal is located. So in order to do that, is go ahead and remove your light. The way you remove that, if you got an H2 Hummer, you will push in on that tab right there. You will push it in, and then you'll pull it out. So once you have it out, we'll go turn the vehicle to the on mode, and then we'll search for that connection. What you would do, turn your key to the first notch, go ahead and hit your emergency lights, and then go to the front of the vehicle, tap into that wire to see which one is blinking. Grab your tester, and you will connect to the battery's black ground source. You will take your lamp connection, and the one that's blinking is what you want to search for. So you see my light is blinking. That's the tap in cord I need to tap into, which is the blue. If you touch all the other ones, they don't blink. So we want to tap into the signal light, and it's blinking, and that's the cord we're going to tap into, which is the blue. Now let's get into my setup. So we'll go ahead and go directly into where I have my control box mounted, and it's directly here. It's not gonna interfere with my hood, so everything's shut, it'll be flush. My wires are running left to right. My power source is connected here. If you don't know what this is a 8-gang switch assembly. Now this is a 2-part assembly, and the other portion is inside the vehicle. It allows me to pretty much install multiple items such as lighting accessories or musical equipment to this one source. It eliminates me from having to do that to this one source here, which is the battery. Most of the time people connecting them to the power and the negative, but not in this case. Right here, everything is here. If you want to know and you want to learn how to hook this up in your vehicle, check out that link above. It'll pretty much guide you through the process, and then you'll be all set. Now, my power source for my red wire is here, black wire is my ground, and it's running here. I have it pretty much here, and I'll probably tie down this area. Now my white cord, this cord is assigned to that. So you gotta make sure you match them up properly. And it's tapped into my signal light. Okay, so you've reached the end of the video. Now this install is pretty much up to you. You can make it hard or you can make it easy. I like to go by 2 rules. Rule number 1, follow instructions. Rule number 2, you don't forget rule number 1. It's just that simple. Now, if you got anything you'd like to add or ask about this install, go ahead and do so in the comment section. For my subscribers, I really appreciate y'all because y'all support, man. Y'all take me a long way, and I really appreciate that. For those who haven't subscribed, feel free to hit that subscribe button below. Now, I have many modifications I've done thus far. This is only episode 12, and we're gonna keep climbing. Check out those uploads if you're interested, and I'll catch y'all on the next video.